Father, I come to you just as I am, a little tired, a little unsure, but still here, still trying. Thank you for meeting me in this moment, not in some perfect version of my life, but in the middle of the mess I'm working through right now. Lord, I won't pretend everything is fine. Some days I feel behind. Some days I wonder if I'm doing any of this right. My choices, my habits, my direction. But I bring all of that to you today because you already see it, and you haven't turned away from me. I ask you to forgive me for the ways I've been hard on myself, and for the ways I've let fear or shame keep me stuck instead of moving forward. Give me wisdom for the decisions in front of me. Help me build the discipline I need in how I spend my time, my money, my energy, my heart. Where I've been careless, make me steady. Where I've been afraid, make me brave. Where I've been distracted, help me focus on what actually matters. Lord, help me let go of what's been holding me back. Old patterns, old relationships, old versions of myself that I've outgrown. I don't want to keep repeating the same season. I want to grow. I believe you are doing a new thing in me, even if I can't see it fully yet. I believe this season of getting myself together is not punishment, it's preparation. I am not starting over from nothing. I am building on everything I've already survived. I declare that I am capable of change. I declare that discipline is possible for me. I declare that my life can be steady, healthy, and full of purpose. I am not defined by my worst days or my past mistakes. Thank you for loving me in process, not just in the finished version of my life. Thank you for patience with me while I figure things out. I surrender my plans to you. Order my steps, and where I go wrong, gently correct me. Lord, walk with me through this season of rebuilding. Give me courage for today and hope for tomorrow. I trust that you are making something good out of my life, one day at a time. In your name I pray.